My name is Nova and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. Dude, I got it! Yes! Let's go!
Manual or
I got a third one. Oh, I got another one.
5N.
Just got another one. Some Jordans came in, let's open them up. Now that I think of it, these are the first Jordan 7s I've ever held in my hands, and I am not disappointed. Another one. I always get super excited opening Jordan boxes. Jordan boxes are always so freaking amazing, and I don't know what it is about it. They're just special. The Yeezys coming out in the next few weeks are going to be super hot, and I feel like I'm gonna get a better return on investment on those. I am going to be quick selling one of these, hopefully today. What's up, what's up? We have 3 boxes that we need to open. Let's check them out.
Listen, little bitch, I be thugging. All that
Third and final padded Jordan 7.
Drugs I be running. If niggas want beef, then I'm busting. Money I always be touching. Keep it 100. You really out here for nothing. You don't know shit about hustling.
We got our Yeezys in, size 13. Not a size to brag about, but I'm still happy that I got this.
All of this money and power. If you don't want that, you's a coward. OG or sour, cushion the haze. I can't die, bro. Fuck that minimum wage. Lil' mama want blaze. She pull up, she roll up, she light up, say yak, then she want me to.
I'm not sure if I'm doing this right, but
nah, baby girl, I don't wait for how I know that you ain't a trifle.
that was so pitiful. Alright, I'm just going to leave this out so that I can have it under the light so that it can acquire some of that glow, and then we'll try it a little bit later after I unbox the other shoe.
Take one, I might have to fight one. Young Mike Tyson, hit him with a nice one. Never going broke, bitch, that'll be some whole shit. Trap like the flow sick, me and all the bros switch, that don't make no sense. Never love a broke bitch, looking like I'm coke rich, but I ain't. I did this off the dank, gotta move ranks. And the nigga eating good, bitch, I'm gaining weight.
Like I said, man, Jordan boxes never disappoint.
Going fast on the strip in my own lane. Straight smacked off the gas, call it propane.
Hopefully this is a good number.
Niggas getting no games. Burn mad,
so
so you out here smoking low grade. I like the OG and then I sip OJ. Niggas know me cause I'm in the dope game. Bitch, and you know I be hustling. I pull up smoke out the function. This shit ain't nothing. Blow out her back and she bustin'. Bitch, I was broke, now I'm stuntin'. Trappin' like fuck it. I just need hundreds. Knowing I love it, man. Peep how I'm coming. Straight out the dungeon, no fresh out the oven.
Alright, let's see what number we got. We got 3383 out of 7,000.
Niggas ain't this, pay the full like rich. Fuck a rich nigga bitch, just the life that I live. Niggas something gotta give, cause we all up in the gutter. Word the mother tree, my niggas like my brothers, let it burn like Usher. This finna be a hot summer. Niggas talking like they getting money, taking pictures with their honeys.
Just move on, going away just to lose ya. Can I go back? Can't take ya. Driving me mad, I can't erase ya. I'm stuck in this house, starting to hate ya. Throw me away, are you afraid to? Break me apart, you know you'll have to. Get me in the dark, 'cause all I'm used
I wasn't able to do a proper live cop. I was way too focused on my setup and trying to make sure that everything was perfect. And boom, I checked out 3 times on Undefeated, and whoa, I just copped another thing on Undefeated. This is my 4th checkout on Undefeated. Alright, so I just got another order confirmation. This time for a size 10 in the Quart Purple Jordan 1s. And this is what I absolutely hate about Undefeated. They cancel all the freaking time without any rhyme or reason. But I really hope that this size 10 doesn't get cancelled. I need one of these at least.
Stuck in this house, starting to hate ya. Throw me away, are you afraid to? Break me apart, you know you'll have to. Leaving me in the dark is all I'm used to.
The first of the Fear of God raids has arrived. We'll see how they look in hand. More Trophy Room Jordan 5s arrived in the mail, and the exciting thing about unboxing these is that they are numbered. So if I get a really cool number, for example like 2323, then that is going to resell for higher. So we'll see what numbers I get. Oh, just kidding. This one is Fear of God, size 10. That's a whack number. What kind of number is that? 4871. Size 10. Another trash number. 4073. We have 3 more on the way, so I think I'm gonna get a couple more tomorrow, but we're gonna have to see. Alright, we got 4 checkouts so far. We have a few more drops to go. Hopefully we can get some more.
Oh boy. Stickers drop.
Kit sometimes drops like a few minutes late. So just increase your delays for now. Oh, kiss drop, kiss drop.
I already have it running.
Yeah, a bunch of monitors didn't pick it up.
Okay. There's no Sacai.
I got one! Oh, yes!
Nice. Alright, keep going.
Run it. With what? With what?
Kodai.
Okay. And for that too.
Damn, I got sold out on manual. So freaking close.
Oh. Sorry, don't talk to me.
I got another one.
I can't even run.
Make that 4 pairs.
You avocado.
What? Got 4? Big shit. I don't even know where.
Yes, babe.
I got a charge. I don't know where, but I got a charge.
Nice.
Hell yeah, dude.
I just got a pair on sneakers, man.
Nice,
Oh, I
dude.
got him on the sneakers app. On manual. Oh yeah.
Oh, I got it.
All your diamonds fake. Why you capping for the gram? We know you can't relate. Yeah, you flexing with a you for he a big stain. You love seeing me in pain. I just let the drugs rush through my damn veins. I can take the pain. I got so much fucking money, feel like upset. Yo, man, be false flagging, that's an offset. Bet me when you want to say.
Here is an update on my Sacai orders. 2 of my orders from Net-a-Porter got ghosted. What I mean by that is that I got charged but I never got the confirmation emails. And then 1 of my kith orders got cancelled. As far as my other orders, they are sticking so far. In fact, 1 of the Sacai's already came in the mail from Net-a-Porter. It was super fast shipping. I literally ordered it just yesterday and it came earlier this morning, so I'm excited to unbox that. On top of that, there were 2 more trophy room Jordan 5s that came in, so we're gonna be unboxing those as well. And as far as my trophy room orders, I thought all of them were shipped already, but it turns out that I miscalculated and 1 of them actually got cancelled, so I'm down to 5 total trophy rooms. This one is 6775. This one is 6730. So this was the last of the trophy rooms, and basically all of the numbers I got were garbage, but all of them still have really good resale value. Now for the Sacai's. Damn, Net-a-Porter, sheesh. First time copying from Net-a-Porter, and their packaging is A1. Wow, that is freaking something, isn't it? This is a tiny shoe size. Ooh, that's interesting. Look at how tall these are. They're almost like soccer cleats. If you could see the paper sliding in and out of the shoe, basically your socks would be somewhat visible if you wear these. I find the other colorway better admittedly, but I really like the design of these. Very nice. I wasn't originally going to do an unboxing for these because these are mega bricks and they are expensive, but these look so damn good in hand. The camera doesn't do it justice, but when the light hits right, it's super nice. And this is my size, so I think I'm gonna try it on, and if I like it, I'm going to keep it as a personal. In other news, I am going to go to Flight Club today to drop off my Fear of God black bricks. I have a size 9.5 and a size 10. And also I am going to drop off 1 of my size 13 trophy room Jordan 5s because on Flight Club it is going for over $1,000, so it would be crazy if I could sell it for that price or even around there, because the market price for the size 13s are only about $500 to $550. So if I could sell it 2 times the market price, that would be insane, especially considering I only paid like $230 for those shoes. So I'm gonna drop it off at Flight Club because you just never know whether or not something is going to sell to the absolute high, which sometimes it does in consignment shops. The inertias that I dropped off at Flight Club the other time ended up selling, so I'm pretty happy with that price actually, considering that the market price right now is only $300 for that, so it's not that bad. Yeah, I'll see you when I get home. I am back. Next week we have Yeezy Blacks coming out. We need to get as many of those as possible, but before we end off on this episode, here is a sponsored message from Tracker. Tracker is one of the Discord cook groups that I'm in. They will be restocking limited membership slots on Sunday, June 9th. If you don't have a group yet, you can check these guys out. Groups are my main source of information, but my advice is do not join unless you will be taking reselling seriously. They provide you with proper release information, guides, and help you with any questions that you may have. But you also need to put in the work as well by utilizing the group's resources to your advantage so that you can cop limited sneakers and make some money. I'll see you in the next episode.